Hello guys, welcome to the vlog. And for today's video, we are going to unbox and make a short review of our new helmet. And also, we will check kung fit po ba sa isang 58 centimeter na head circumference yung helmet. Okay, let's start. Okay, here's the box. I bought this online sa Shopee and it took me a while to decide which size to get kasi my head circumference is 58 as you can see. Na-fall siya sa size medium or large. So I am very much conscious with the mushroom look. Sabi nga nila, if you can't perform, then job forms. Okay. By the way, open na siya kasi I let the seller open it kasi ilalagyan niya ng airbag. This one. To add extra layer of protection sa helmet natin. Iwas damage. Thumbs up sa seller. Okay. Maganda yung airbag. Okay, so this is the helmet. Quick check natin. Mukhang wala namang damage or crack. The airbag did well kapag transport ng helmet. Okay. It comes with the manual. Okay, quick check. Ito yung helmet. This is specialized Align 2 Mips version helmet. Matte white yung kulay, tapos may black sa ventilations. May mga different colors naman si Align 2, pero I prefer the color white kasi additional visibility siya sa rider and sa other traffics na din na involved sa daan. Okay, and I believe this is reflectorized sticker. And sa tingin ko, the helmet is well ventilated. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 ventilations siya. And 14, 15, 16 pala. 16 may kasama dito. And sa tingin ko, mas magaan siya compared sa half face na enduro helmet. Ito nga pala yung dial niya. Ito yung dial pag-adjust kung masikip or maluwag yung sizing. Ito yung tri-fix na technology nila. So, ito naman yung back. By the way guys, Mips version na pala ito. May nakalagay din na Mips dito. multi-directional impact protection system, a patented technology designed to mitigate against rotational forces transmitted to the brain during certain angled impact scenarios. Ito yung sinasabing Mips. Namumove siya. The Mips system is a low friction layer that allows a sliding motion of 10 to 15 mm. Yung, for example, matumba ka, may konting adjustment pa siya. 10 to 15 mm in all directions. Kung saan ka man matumba. Huwag naman po sana. Okay. May tatlong sizes pala ito, guys. Small, medium, and large. Dito, small, 51 to 56 cm, medium 55 to 59, and large 58 to 62. Excuse. Round feet, medium 55 to 59. So medium po yung kinuha ko. It took me a while to decide which size to get kasi my head circumference is 58 cm and my size falls between medium and large. So based naman sa mga reviews online, Asian reviews online, fit sa us Asians yung medium kung na-fall ka sa 58. And I can also attest to that kasi yung share ko lang yung half-face na Enduro helmet ko. This is not Asian size. Medium siya. Same size. 55 to 59 cm. And medyo may pressure siya dito. And kalaunan na-lessen naman yung pressure, pero this is not Asian size, kaya may pressure siya dito. Unlike this one na round fit and Asian size, so hopefully fits perfectly sa ulo natin yung medium. Okay guys, we will test fit the helmet for the first time. For your reference, my head circumference is 58 cm and this is size medium. Comfortable naman yung helmet, so front view and side view, back view. Okay, ito naman na with cap. Okay, that's it. Thank you and ride safe. Bye-bye.